Hi there! So finally it's here, the Mi TV 4X Pro 43 inches. Now this is a 4K TV and it's priced at just 24,999. And the best part is it comes pre-installed with official Netflix and Amazon Prime apps. Super excited. So in this video, let's quickly unbox it. We'll have a quick overview of the device. So continue watching this video. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. On the front of the box, it mentions 4K Ultra HD, Dolby Audio, Chromecast built-in, YouTube, Netflix and Prime videos. On the side too, Android TV, 4K Ultra HD, DTS, patch wall, the regular stuff. On top of the box, it clearly mentions do not open without authorized engineer supervision or else it will void the warranty. I'm opening this since this is a demo unit, but others are recommended to wait for the engineer till they come. Let's quickly unbox the device. Inside the box are two plastic stands, screws to mount the stands, safety notice and installation guide, and the brand new Mi TV remote. The remote has received an upgrade as well. You can see dedicated Netflix and Amazon Prime buttons. Yes, there is also the Google voice search, but unfortunately no mute button. So many people have asked me how the quality of the stands. Well, they're basic plastic, they're glossy in finish, they're light, and they have a rubber at the bottom so that they get a good grip on the table. The basic and functional, nothing very fancy. Let's quickly fix the stands to the TV. At the bottom of the TV, you can see 20-watt down-firing speakers. In the center, you see a physical button to turn on or turn off the device if you don't want to use the remote, and an LED standby light. And there you go. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Very similar though to the old Mi TVs. The only difference though is a silver line on the chin below, and it looks really nice. Apart from that, physically you cannot make out any other difference between the old and the new Mi TVs. The bezels have a glossy finish and are extremely slim. The back is extremely clean. With the price you're paying, it looks absolutely wonderful. All the ports are on the right side for easy access. You can see Ethernet, AV composite, SPDIF, 3 HDMI ports out of which one is HDMI ARC, 2 USB 2.0s, 3.5mm audio headphone jack and antenna. The device also supports Bluetooth 5.0. Since we're discussing all the details, I think it's better to mention that the power consumption is 105 watts. So finally, let's boot the device and you can see the Android boot up. First thing is to pair the remote since these are Bluetooth remotes. So you press the Mi and Android button together to pair the remote with the TV. After that, the setup is a fairly simple process. Choose your language, enter your Wi-Fi password, enter your Google credentials, and you're ready to go. And finally, we boot into the new OS and you can see Netflix and Amazon Prime comes pre-installed. Wow, this is amazing. The Android TV OS is super snappy, extremely fast, very smooth. Let's quickly open the app launcher and see the apps that come pre-installed. Patchwall, Netflix, Prime Videos. We have the Google Play Store, we have YouTube, we have Hotstar. Alright, let's have a quick look at the patchwall interface, and now you can see that Prime Videos is embedded on the patchwall interface. You can also see content from Shimaru and so much more. The patchwall 2.0 white interface looks absolutely gorgeous. And especially now this is a 4K panel, the colors pop and the details and text are extremely sharp. On the top left of the Android TV interface, you see inputs. You can change from HDMI to AV composite. On the right, you have settings, network and internet. It supports 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Inputs are the same. Right at the bottom, you can even choose from which input you want to turn on the TV every time. In the device preference, about settings, you can see the TV is running the Android 9 Android Pie. This is the latest Android TV OS for smart TVs. Moving on to the pictures. In pictures, they have a new mode called Vivid. Now this was announced with the new Mi TV. It's going to come to the old as well. And you can see the colors look far more brighter and vivid with this Vivid mode. Chromecast is also built in on the Mi TVs, which is great. So now it's time to check out that gorgeous 4K display. And what better than YouTube? So here's a 4K video playing on YouTube. And I have no words. It looks absolutely gorgeous. You can see the colors are super vibrant and the images are so sharp. But more than that, we need to make sure that this is actually running on 4K. And this is... So yes, now you can see that this is playing at 4K. So there's no lag, no stutter. 4K videos are running absolutely buttery smooth on the 4K Mi TV. And finally, let's check out Netflix. And Netflix now has a dedicated button on the remote. The best part about this Netflix app is this is an official certified Netflix app, which means it's not that mobile version, it's an official app and it's amazing, super smooth. Let's check out a video. As you can see, Netflix is playing perfectly fine at full HD, and you even have an option to change the audio and subtitles, everything at your fingertips. Super easy and convenient. And yes, the next best thing, the Amazon Prime app, and we do have a button for that on remote as well. And finally, we see the Android TV version of the Amazon Prime app, and it works fine. But I'll say it's not as smooth as the Fire TV Stick app, but that goes without saying. Let's play a video and see. There you go, perfectly smooth, full HD with subtitles working. Great. The Mi TV 4X supports HDR10 and I had to check it out for myself. Here's a quick sample. So I'm sure you can see the details, you can see the color reproduction, you can see the dynamic range. Just see the amount of details you can see in the dark. Absolutely brilliant. And yes, 4K videos play perfectly fine on the default media player. And here you can see HD channel and it's absolutely clear. So high quality content will look stunning on the screen. Oh my god, so from where do I start? Firstly, extremely impressive. 4K, supports HDR10, Dolby support, Netflix, Amazon Prime, all new other apps, patch wall improved. It ticks all the boxes. So I'll be doing a full in-depth review where I'll be covering more about its vivid picture quality, its processing, how stable is the software, how well are the apps working, how's HD channels, gaming, so much more in the full review. So don't miss that out, it's going to come really soon. So this was an overview video. I can't cover everything here. You've got the basic idea of how the product works. So I leave the links in the description. If you want to buy one, it's highly recommended. 24,999, 4K 43-inch smart TV running Android, having all the apps and Google Voice search. It ticks just all the boxes. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback. Also, if there are any questions, do put them down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.